A warm welcome to all. You are now plugged into PodPress. In this video, we will be learning how to generate a personal access token for your Instagram feed, how to add the token to your website, and finally, how to display your Instagram feed using the Divi Instagram feed module. At first, we will generate the Instagram access token. First, you need to go developers.facebook.com and I click here create app. On the app name, give any name, click the next button. I will select the other and click next. Select an app type. I will select business and click next. Review everything and click create app. Click the setup on the Instagram. And we need to add an account. To add an account, we need to go app roles and click on the drop down and click roles. Now click on the add people button. Select the Instagram taster and insert here your Instagram username. And select your Instagram account and click add button. Now you need to go your Instagram account and click the Instagram option and click on the apps and website. Click on the tester invitation and accept it. Back to your Facebook developer and open the Instagram drop-down option and click on the API setup with Instagram login. Generate access token. Click the drop-down and click on the generate token. Give your Instagram credential and click login. Not now. Make sure everything is allowed and click allow button. We have successfully generated the Instagram access token. Click I understand and copy your access token and click done. It is time to add the token to your WordPress dashboard. To do that, navigate through the WordPress dashboard to Divi and click on the Instagram feed. Select personal account and insert here your Instagram access token and click the connect this account. We have successfully integrated the Instagram access token. Now let's see how easily we can display the Instagram feed on our Divi website. First, we are adding a row and we are now adding the Instagram feed module from the source. We are selecting account, select account option. We are selecting your Instagram username. And as you can see here, our Instagram feed has been up here. And that's it. You are all set. Your Instagram feed is now live on your Divi website, keeping your content fresh, visual, and always connected.